Welcome to SNEC 2024, world's largest exhibition in solar, being held here at Shanghai. I am here at AIKO booth, and we are going to have a most interesting product overview from AIKO.
Thank you. Actually, during this event in SNEC Shanghai this year, we are releasing our latest products. So first, I want to introduce our new Star 3 generation, the third generation products. This is a 54 cell products and double glass full black. So the size is below 2 square meter, but we can already deliver with an efficiency of 24.3%, and the highest efficiency that we can deliver by the end of this year is a 485 watt peak. At this moment, it is the module with the highest efficiency in the world. And we also want to let you see the second products. This is for our CNI scenario. And this is a 72 cell products. We call it a common series. We actually using the latest zero bus bar technology for our third generation, and we can deliver the highest efficiency in the world, which is 25.2%. So this is really the highest in this industry. By the end of this year, we can deliver this product with a power output of 650 watt peak. Thank you.